Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick demonstration of a new piece of functionality that we've got in our forthcoming release, and this is all to do with the integration between TaxCalc Accounts Production and TaxCalc Tax Return Production. So let's open up a client's tax return. We're going to start with Mr. Abbott here. Now, as you can see, he's got employment and self-employment. The employment information, we should, fingers crossed, be able to pull some of that from HMRC using the fetch taxpayer data function that we have there on screen. Not the most robust solution, I have to say. The information that HMRC provide can be a bit hit and miss, so I wouldn't rely on it completely, but I think it does serve as a useful second check to make sure that there's no information being inadvertently missed. And if there is a discrepancy between what the fetch pulls through and what your client may have told you, then at least it raises that as an alert, as something to look into. Also, functionality that we've had quite some time in the software is the ability to import the accounts from Accounts Production into the tax return. That remains as is, but the new piece of functionality I want to show is the ability to do that exact same thing, but on the rental income side of things. So we've got that same import accounts function now for rental property. So if you've got clients that you are preparing a more formal P&L and you're using Accounts Production to do so, then as well as pulling in the self-employment information, you can pull across the rental accounts too. So here's the little summary that pops up of the data that's going to come across, the income and expenses and where it's being mapped to. We do ask, is it there's finance costs in this particular case? Is it for commercial property or is it for residential property? As the treatment will be different. Well, this one's a residential property, so we just click on the box and it pulls that figure in. Click on the import, and there we go. The income figures are in there. The expense figures are in there, and those finance costs will find their way onto the tax calculation as a basic rate tax reducer. Do let me know if you think that's a useful bit of functionality for you. I'd be keen to learn how many of you prepare a more formal P&L for your property landlord clients and those that just type it straight into the software. So please do pop your comments below. Thank you.